Today I'm going to show you how to put your box together. You should have cut your finger joints using the templates. It's important that you use a template for each join. That makes sure, using the templates, make sure that the joins, the finger joints, are accurate. It's also important that you mark top and number the joints 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 1 again. I've also got my top and my bottom, and the edges of the wood have been rebaited. They've been done on the table saw. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use the PVA glue. Using the PVA glue, it's very safe to use. If you get it on yourself, just use the sink to wash it off. Use water to wash it off. So we're taking the base. We've got the base here. The base has been cut square, which means that our box should be assembled square. So in some ways our box is a template to show that it's going to be square. We're then going to start off with the sides. We're going to put a small amount, not a huge amount of glue, on the base, put it on there. That's going to go there. You can leave that lying down. Then we've got number 2, is going to go to number 2. It's important when you put glue on the joints, the whole point of making the finger joint is to increase the surface area. So we need to make sure that glue is on all the surface areas, and of course along on our rebate joint there. We can then fix these two together, 2 and 2, going together like that, and they will sit on top of the box. We've now got the base, the rebate joint, and the finger joints there. I'm then going to go with the second part. There's joint 1 there, number 1 there. So glue onto here. Important that you get glue in all the surfaces there. You can see that, all the surfaces. And again, glue on the bottom. It's important, of course, that you've done a dry run. A dry run is to assemble it without glue, hence the dry run, and that just makes sure that it all fits. The last piece, that's going on, and I've got 3 and 4 here. Obviously this one, I'm going to put glue on both sides, and it fits together. There's our box fitted together. It's important that you check that the corners are square using a tri-square. You can also, you may want to use a sash clamp, but the sash clamp's quite awkward to use and can end up crushing the box. So what we're going to use is, we're just going to go back to masking tape. As long as the box is fitted together well, we can check that and check the joints okay. We can just use a piece of masking tape, fairly tight, to hold it in place. If we're going to make a flat top box, then you can glue in the top like that. If you're going to make the barrel top box, then you need to follow the instructions for the barrel top box.